Hi, welcome to Varaj Creations. Today we shall discuss on the topic patterns and philosophies of personnel management. Professor Apley's quote, "Management is the development of people and not the direction of things." This highlights the importance of focusing on people and their growth within the organization. In fact, the importance of managing people is considered so great that some have defined management as synonyms with personnel management. The word management can be divided into manage men and thus the word can be read as manage men tactfully. Basically, the job of the manager is described as follows. We shall discuss key points only. 1. Manager's role. A manager's primary responsibility is to guide the activities of their team to achieve predetermined goals while effectively utilizing available resources. 2. Management process. The management process is outlined as a 5-step cycle: planning, staffing, organizing, motivating, and controlling. 3. Personnel management. This field focuses on the planning, direction, development, and utilization of human resources within an organization. 4. Dealing with human resource problems, identifying symptoms, diagnosing the cause, deciding on a solution, and implementing the solution. But the philosophy of personnel management as viewed by some top-level personalities was that they considered it to be people tinkering in highly specified and restricted areas, not a unified or comprehensive function crucial to the welfare of the business. Instead, it was seen as a minor function to be drawn up when needed and then delegated to purely custodial duties. One reason for this view was that many people engaged in personnel work were deficient in training. Their training and experience were in fragmentary areas of personnel management, making them specialists in the worst sense of the word. This lack of comprehensive understanding hindered their ability to gain rapport with other functional managers. Another factor contributing to this view was the busyness in personnel work and excessive philosophizing, which was seen as a distraction from practical implementation. Now we shall come on evolution of personnel management and the importance of human aspects in modern management philosophies. In the past, liking people was considered sufficient for working in personnel management. However, the modern perspective recognizes the need for a broader skill set. Personnel managers must not only meet organizational requirements but also consider the expectations of both employees and society. This is because employees are simultaneously instruments of the firm, human beings, and citizens. A modern personnel manager needs a background in psychology, sociology, economics, and management. They must be able to project themselves into other positions without losing their own perspective and understand human behavior. The philosophies of management are centered around human aspects and can be grouped under the acronym POSDCORB, which means planning, organizing, staffing, directing, controlling, reporting, budgeting. A good management philosophy therefore discusses the fundamental principles of effective management, highlighting the importance of both securing employee cooperation and achieving desired results. It emphasizes that personnel management plays a pivotal role in achieving organizational goals, with a skilled personnel administrator crucial for maximizing employee potential. While personnel management is foundational, it is part of a broader management philosophy encompassing various functions like production, finance, sales, and marketing.